What's up guys, Christopher Polvoorde. We're up here in the mountains and sitting behind me I have my 2020 all-wheel drive Ford Transit van. This thing's one of a kind and the first of its kind. Me and my dad personally sat down, designed this with some of the engineers and built the ultimate adventure van. Let's go check it out. Let's first start up front with the performance package. Me as a race car driver, it's in my blood to go fast and I love to do it. So if I didn't have it on my van, I wouldn't have enjoyed it. The twin turbo EcoBoost paired with the K&N filtration system gives me all the performance I need all the time, and that's why I love it. Now let's go check out the rest of the van. Now we're in the inside, which kind of has the essentials to go fully off the grid. I got myself a nice kitchen area, got a fridge, cooktop, and microwave, which all runs off solar and batteries, so you never have to hear the sound of that generator. Throughout the van, I got tons of hidden compartments, surfboard rack, climbing gear stuffed everywhere, and then one of the coolest features of this van is the cot system. These things fully fold up, get out of the way when you need it so you can store the rest, but you're able to sleep 4 guys inside, everyone in their own bed, which is essential when you're going out with your buddies. And my favorite part about this van is I can put these things on the outside, sleep off the ground, outside, under the stars, which is truly hard to beat. Now let's go check out some of the external features. Now some of the cooler features on the outside. Got myself a little outdoor shower, just in case it gets a little stinky after a few days. Air compressor, heater, water tanks, and then up top we got ourselves a ski and snowboard rack, a kayak rack, a fly fishing rack, and that's where our solar panels are tucked away too. And then one of my favorite features, got myself a bike rack so I can tinker all night while I'm hanging out with some buddies. Got a little awning, and then some external kicker audio speakers, which is set the mood. This thing was built for the ultimate adventure vehicle, and it truly is.